Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC. We just finished up a driveway extension project in Occoquan, Virginia. We were in and out of here in one day. It's about 4 p.m., so it's a nice 7:30 to 4 p.m. job. And let's take a closer look what we did here. So this existing brick driveway was in place, and the client used to basically pull his truck over here kind of on the side so they could get two cars in, and he was always parking in the dirt here. So we put this little extension area here, so now he has a nice stable place to park here on the right. On the left-hand side, we put in this large extension area, which you can comfortably fit 3 cars, so they can park side by side there, and then they all have the room on the main driveway here that it was existing to still back out. So you can easily get, probably 5 cars in here without having to move cars around, and a lot more parking that this was able to expand here for the client. Let's go up there by the walkway and take a look at those lines. We're both really happy how this turned out. Nice clean curves. Now this whole area here along this side, and basically the whole front of the property, including this bed over here and even the existing stuff over here, is all being redone with landscaping in the next few weeks. So once all this is done with the landscaping, it's going to look quite fantastic. So we're very happy with the results. So I hope you like what you see. Give us a call for your concrete needs. We'd be happy to give you a bid on a project like this as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.